Good morning, this is Spencer at Langston's Alternative Power. Doing a little test today with these four 355 watt Canadian solar panels running an EG4 hybrid HVAC unit. Today I'm going to see if it'll start up. I got it scheduled to come on at 8:30, and we'll see if it'll start up without it being plugged into an AC receptacle. Alright, it's scheduled to cut on now. Well, we got one more minute to go. This is the plug that feeds the AC power to the HVAC unit. We'll see if it'll start automatically without any AC input. It is 8:29, and it should start up here in just a minute. Let's see if it'll start. All right, yep, it just cut on. So it will run completely off the grid, 4 solar panels, no AC input at all. And we can verify that. Go here, and you can see it's starting off at like it's ramping up some. 100, 200, 300, almost 400 watts now. It's ramping up some. $500 watts. Very well pleased with this unit. It's just as quiet as any other mini split. Has the quick connect so you don't have to have a vacuum pump. And I really like that it'll start without having any AC power at all. Have run it off of this at nighttime. Of course, it's not going to last very long, but whenever you tie a lithium battery to this, it'll basically take it through the night. I've got a bigger EcoFlow Delta that'll run it with no problem. This one, it works really good with the solar because it doesn't really run off it at all. I can do a little bit. We can do a little test to see how much it'll pull off of it. Let's see here. Right now, phone back on. Right now it's pulling about 539 watts. Let's plug this in and see how much it'll pull from here. It'll usually use the AC power for a little while, and then it'll start blending the DC power back in. Let's see how it does. Right now it's just running solely off the solar. It prioritizes the solar anyway. But when it's cloudy, you know, it kind of goes in and out. If you have this hooked up to it, it'll keep it going and will supplement the AC power from the solar power to keep it going. But right now it's only using 520 watts. When it's really hot outside and you first crank it up, say it's really hot in here, it can get up to 1100 watts, but it'll pull it all from the solar panels as long as you have enough sun. And right now I've got them on that trailer facing east because it's 8:30 in the morning, 8:33. So we're cooking with sunshine right now. And holding nice and cold. I gotta check it with the thermometer and see what it's putting out. Usually it's in the 30s, but yesterday it was like extremely hot. All this week is going to be over 100 degrees, and the humidity probably way more than that. Just got a few other little tests, just thought I would show that. And give us a call if you need one. And if you need any hydro or solar, give me a call at this number here, 843-319-4830. Ask for Spencer and we'll get you hooked up. Y'all have a blessed day.